Wasn't this place supposed to be isolated? A simple Google search told us that from 500 tourists in 1974, when it was first opened for tourism, to 250,000 last year, Ladakh had seen an exponential rise in the number of visitors, specifically in the last decade. Why the last decade? Released in 2009, Three Idiots saw Amir Khan playing a Ladakhi engineer. The climax was filmed in Ladakh and was one of the first films to showcase its extensive natural beauty.
In 1974, when tourism was first opened, only 574 tourists made it to Ladakh. In 2018, 3.74 lakh tourists made it there, with a population of just 2.7 lakhs. The Pangong Lake, which was known for its serene beauty, is now full of tourists and cars. A decade ago, this beautiful place produced negligible waste. But the arrival of so many tourists has resulted in vehicles clogging narrow roads and sewage and plastic pollution. The small, beautifully decorated traditional Ladakhi houses in Leh are now giving way to large resorts. The things that made Leh so lovely and unique are gradually getting lost.
What made it worse was that, like everything else, each bottle of water had to be imported in from as far as 1,000 kilometers away, which basically meant that the carbon footprint of anything we consumed here was double or triple of what it was in other hill stations. If that wasn't bad enough, a lower supply of oxygen ensures that the biodegradable waste decomposes slower than it usually would.
During peak tourist season, Leh city collects 16 to 18 tons of waste per day, and annual waste production stands at an alarming 374 tons. People are unaware about the problems being caused. Today, most Ladakhis depend on ration that come from Kashmir during winter time. The youth find it more viable to become a guide, taxi driver, or a hotel owner than to become a farmer.
The problem is that we are not able to segregate whole garbages because we don't have a proper place to put in. Maybe in the next few months, when the invasive compost plant and the landfill is completed, we are able to deal with it in a more scientific way.
The people were not able to handle things. Construction started taking place. So there's no proper way that the administration is able to see that a hotel is being built properly with proper waste management.
How can you contribute individually? Opt for a homestay or an eco-friendly hotel for your next vacation here. In this way, your impact in the region will be minimum. Keep in mind that Ladakh is a cold desert, and for more Ladakhis, water is a luxury. Please use water wisely. Do not drive your vehicles into or very close to the lakes and the rivers. These water bodies are considered holy by the Ladakhi people. Carry all your garbage with you and dispose it off at a proper garbage disposal site in Leh. Don't throw it around, and if you can avoid leaving it back in the village that you visited, as it becomes difficult for them to dispose it off. Do not buy bottled water. If you're driving on your own, please do not go off-roading. Off-roading crushes the plants that grow near the highways and the villages.